By the time this video is over, you will have done 5 real things with ChatGPT. Not just learned about them, done them. And your timer starts now. I am not going to explain how AI works. I am not going to make you sit through a lecture. And I am not going to use the word ecosystem. We are going to open ChatGPT and knock out 5 things you actually need done today. Hi, I'm Maggie. This channel is plain English AI for people with serious careers and zero patience for being talked down to. No jargon, no 25-year-old telling you just to prompt it. Just the stuff that works in an easy format to understand. Subscribe so this becomes a habit. Okay, 5 things, here we go. Thing number 1, the email you have been avoiding. You know the one. It has been sitting in your head for 4 days. You do not know how to say it without sounding rude or like a pushover, or maybe both. Here is all you do. Tell ChatGPT who the email is for, what you need, and the tone you want. You can tell it the whole story if you want to, but it really only needs the details. And then watch. Use this prompt. Write a short, friendly, but firm email to, fill in the name of the person. Ask them to, whatever it is you need. I want it to sound warm but clear, not apologetic. Keep it under 120 words. Send ready email, 10 seconds, and you're done. If you don't like the tone, tell it. Make it warmer, make it shorter. It'll fix it. Just remember, you are the editor. It is the intern. A very fast intern that does not need lunch breaks or validation. That is number 1. Let's keep moving. Thing 2, the eternal question. What's for dinner? Except this time, you are going to answer it for an entire week and get the grocery list in under a minute. Okay, here's the prompt. Plan 5 easy weeknight dinners for X number of people. We do not eat and fill in any of the stuff you don't eat. Keep each meal prep under 30 minutes. Then give me one organized grocery list of all 5 meals sorted by section of the store. There you go. 5 dinners, 1 list, already sorted by produce, dairy, pantry. I will wait while you process that magic that just happened. You did not open a single recipe website. You did not scroll past 17 pop-up ads. You did not read somebody's entire childhood before the ingredients. And you definitely did not end up buying a kitchen torch you will never use. Tell it your family is sick of chicken, and it'll swap it out. And here's a free pro tip. Open up your fridge, take a picture of everything that's in there, drop the photo straight into ChatGPT, and tell it that you need to make something right now for lunch or for dinner using only the ingredients it can see that you have in the fridge. It will tell you exactly what you have and exactly what you can make with it. Right now, no grocery run required. That one's free. Thing 3. This one's my favorite, and it's the one nobody tells you about. ChatGPT can take anything confusing and explain it like a normal human being. A dense email from HR, a paragraph in an insurance letter, the instructions that came with something you bought. You paste it in, you ask it one question. Here's the prompt. Explain this to me in plain English like I am smart but busy. Then tell me the one thing I actually need to do about it. Here it is, and then you paste in the confusing text. Plain English plus the one thing you actually have to do. No more reading the same paragraph 4 times wondering if you are the problem. You are not the problem. You did not somehow get less smart. The writing was just bad. It was always bad. Now, here is something people do not know. You don't actually have to type out any of it. You don't have to be able to copy and paste it either. Take a screenshot or take a photo of the actual paper, the letter, the form, whatever it is. Drop that image or images straight into ChatGPT. It reads it, explains it. You're done. No retyping, no squinting, no suffering. That's number 3. On to thing 4. Anything you are planning, ChatGPT will lay it out step by step. A trip, a birthday party, A garage you've been avoiding since 2019? I have my own garage situation and we do not need to talk about it. Here is the prompt. I am planning, insert the thing you're planning. Ask me 3 quick questions first, then give me a simple step-by-step plan with a checklist I can follow. Notice what it did. It asked me the questions first. That is the part most people miss. When you let it ask, the answers come back 10 times better because now it actually knows what you want. A plan and a checklist built around your actual situation. The garage does not stand a chance. That's number 4, 1 more to go. Thing 5. This is the one I did not expect to love. You can think out loud with it. A decision you're stuck on, something you've been going back and forth on, you are not asking it to decide for you. You are asking it to help you see the whole board, all the chess pieces, and all the moves. Here's the prompt. I'm trying to decide whether to, and put in whatever it is you're trying to decide. Help me think it through. Lay out the pros and cons, and then ask me what I might be missing. Pros, cons, and then it asked me the things I hadn't even considered. No judgment, no one to bring it up at Thanksgiving, just a clear head when you needed one. And that's number 5. So in about 10 minutes, you wrote the hard email, planned a week of dinners, plus had the shopping list, decoded something confusing, built a plan with a checklist, and talked through a decision. 5 things done. Not someday, not I should really look into that, today. I put all 5 of those prompts in a free 1-page cheat sheet so you don't have to pause and rewind. It's called the 10-Minute Starter Pack. The link is in the description. Grab it, stick it next to your computer, and you will never stare at a blank ChatGPT box again. The next video, I'm going to show you how to talk to AI so it actually gives you good answers. Because once you know the tricks for this, everything you just did will get even better and better. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm Maggie Media. Smart humans use AI, and now so do you.